Hello students, welcome to our English online session. Myself Sayyad Rubina, I heartily welcome you in online session. Children, last week I have sent you one information link about the game Kabaddi. In that we have studied how Kabaddi we can play. And in that session I told you that in next part I will teach you the lesson. So it's a time to move further. Our today's topic is a Kabaddi match. So student, listen carefully and try to understand the lesson. The school sports meet was scheduled next month. The practice matches had already begun. 9th B were the favorites as they had strong players in their team. The Kabaddi trials were on. This year there were 3 new students in class 9A. To everyone's surprise, they proved to be outstanding players. 9th A's hopes soared. In the first paragraph, the writer is saying that the school sports meet was scheduled next month. So all the players, they are practicing on the ground. 9th B team has excellent players. So everyone, they are thinking that 9th B will only win the match. When the match started, all the spectators clapped and boosted the morale of both the teams. When the match started, all the audience, they clapped, they cheer up to both the teams. 9th A won the toss and sent their raider Govind. Children, you know that meaning of raider. A player who is going towards the opponent teams. Okay. He was so swift that before the opponents realized it, he had touched Suresh from 9th B and was already heading home. A point was scored. Now, when the 9th A won the toss, they sent their first player, whose name Govind. He was so swift. He had touched Suresh from 9th B and was already heading home. And in this way, 9th A got 1 point. Ravi from 9th B was a very strong player. He alone was sufficient to catch hold of any player so tightly in between his legs, twisted like scissors, that releasing oneself from his grip was next to impossible. Ravi, he is a player in 9th B. He was very strong player. All the players were literally afraid of him. This ace player had won many matches for 9th B. With the support of Mohan and Vinod, 9th B were unbeatable. Unbeatable means everyone is thinking that this team will only win because of these 3 strong players. Mangesh from 9th A was also strong. He was a good match for Ravi. Ravi was relaxed as he had never dreamed of any strong opposition from any team. When Mangesh was wrestled down by Ravi and his friends, everyone in the spectators thought that ninth A would lose Mangesh. But Mangesh proved his mettle. He was on the ground with the anti-raiders catching hold of his waist and legs. Listen, we should not give up our hope. We should always try. We should not think that no, I can't. Yes, you can. So never give up. Slowly, he inches toward his court. All the anti-raiders with all their might were trying their best to pull him back. But with the great determination and without losing his breath, Mangesh successfully touched the midline. Children, you can see in the picture, there were cheers in the air. Everyone started to clap. He had not only saved himself but was also able to score 3 points for his team as Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya, who were holding him, were also declared out because they hold to the Raiders. And as he touched the midline, these 3 players they declared as out. Now, ninth B began to play cautiously. Mihir, one of their raider, even managed to tag Sohan in ninth A. Nothing much happened in the next few raids. Now it was Vivek's raid. It was Vivek's turn. He always played with strategies and they worked fine. The remaining 3 players from ninth B trapped Vivek. He slowly moved back toward his court. The 3 anti-raiders also moved with him. When they caught his arm and were trying to pull him back, Vivek slipped his leg beyond the midline with the anti-raiders still hanging on his arm. Oh! The whole of the ninth B team was declared out. In this way, the whole of the ninth B team was declared out. Oh my God! Ninth A had actually managed to get 3 more bonus points of Lona. It was an icing on the cake. What an enviable score! It set the heads of 9th B reeling. After the halftime break, the star players of 9th A were full of confidence. Once again, they managed to catch hold of the ace raiders Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. 9th A outplayed 9th B in all the areas of the kabaddi. Their team spirit, their confidence, their strategies, their swiftness helped them to beat 9th B, who had never tasted defeat earlier. So, in this way, here writer he want to tell us that we should not give up. When you are playing any game, don't think about losing or winning. Losing and winning is not a part of the game. You should participate in the game. That is the most important part. Passion, participation and determination. These are important things in the sport. So here student, I hope that you must have understand the lesson. From this lesson, I want to tell you that you can also be a good player. You can also win if you have great determination. One day you may help win glory for your school, district, or even for the country. So, best of luck for the future. And here I am ending my session. Thank you.